Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection. 1000 Butta concept collection in a pastel color shade saree. A light beige here, almost a sandal color. Beautiful color with gold and silver zari buttas. Vertically 18 buttas in a row. Closely weaved beautiful design. The buttas are also very pretty. All over the saree the butta design comes, which makes it very rich, soft and beautiful hand woven design. Same color pallu. The pallu also have golden zari work with silver zari vertical borders, and we have plain blouse piece in the same color. The pallu tassels are already made. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 Butta concept sarees in a very elegant silver and copper zari work. It's a grey saree, beautiful light grey color with work that is done using silver and copper. Small buttas which are very elegant. 18 buttas in a row, weaved alternatively using copper and silver. All over the saree the butta work continues. It's a very closely weaved beautiful saree. Very rich one too, borderless concept, and complete saree is in single color. Even in the blouse piece and pallu, the pallu have very elegant copper zari work, 3D type design with vertical silver zari borders, and we also have plain blouse piece in the same color. The pallu tassels are already made, and copper on grey is very beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, 1000 Butta concept, very elegant and always demanded beautiful collection in single color. And the single color here is a dual tone, very elegant red mixed with a deep pink color. Orange and deep pink mix it is, actually very beautiful one. The color is very attractive, always demanded beautiful color in a combination of orange, and it is really pretty. A goldish glow on the saree. And here we have dual buttas. Buttas are done using silver and copper alternatively all over, and 1000 buttas totally. And vertically we have 18 buttas in a row. Very elegant collection all over. The buttas are closely weaved and beautifully. It's been done on a soft, premium, elegant soft silk saree. And the same color is given for the pallu also with copper zari work, and the edges of the pallu in vertical we have the silver zari work, and same color blouse piece is a running concept, and the pallu tassels already made. The color as well as the design of the saree is very pretty, the prettiest most with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Very beautiful 1000 Butta concept, very elegant sarees, a very trending and beautiful collection. All over the sarees the rich Butta work comes with a borderless concept. Here we have a dual tone color, very different and rare tone it is. Deep bottle green is mixed with purple. You can see the purple shade on the saree when it is moved. Very elegant one with copper and silver zari buttas. The buttas are very small and beautiful, and 18 buttas in a row, which makes the 1000 Butta concept. All over the saree the Butta work continues. It's a borderless, and we have same body color pallu. Pallu also have a very detailed and elegant copper zari work, and we also have the plain blouse piece which is in the body color. The pallu tassels are already made. Beautiful and very elegantly hand woven pretty saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 Butta concept sarees in a borderless version. A very elegant, beautiful dual tone color. The saree is a very different tone. Purple mixed with blue, Ananda blue it is. You can see the purple glow on the Ananda blue. Really beautiful color with 1000 Butta concept. You can see the vertically 18 buttas in a row, and copper and silver are alternatively used. Tiny buttas, really beautiful buttas it is, and the whole saree have the same butta running all over. Very soft and completely hand woven collection with same color blouse piece and pallu. Pallu is also in same color. You can see the copper zari work on the pallu. A very rich pallu with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 Butta concept, very beautiful and famous design in copper and silver zari work. A borderless concept sarees in a very beautiful color here. A maroon and brown mixed shade. Brown is prominent, coffee brown shade. A very beautiful shade too. You can see the beautiful color. The copper zari as well as silver zari is very visible and elegant on the dark color of the saree. And we have a borderless concept all over the saree. No borders at all. With small buttas. 1000 Butta concept it is. Vertically we have 18 buttas. and we have beautiful alternative weaving concept, and the pallu is also here done using copper zari with silver zari borders on both sides with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. A perfect and classy saree in a dark shade color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a 1000 butta concept, beautiful saree collection in gold and silver zari work, borderless concept, completely hand woven beautiful design, and a red saree here, beautiful red shade with very elegant buttas, small buttas they are done in a 18 buttas in a row, 1000 butta concept all over the saree. If you see, the whole butta collection comes all over, and it is a borderless, again a hand woven saree too, with same color pallu. The pallu is also a beautiful floral design, a very rich big pallu. With side borders we have the silver zari work, and we have the plain blouse piece as well, and we have the pallu tassels already made, beautiful and attractive color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in a single color, no contrast here, complete saree. The pallu as well as blouse piece is in same color with very elegant buttas. Vertically we have 18 buttas in a row. Gold and silver is alternatively used. Beautiful kanji take elegant buttas, small and beautiful it is. All over the butta work comes. The saree is very pretty and very grand too. Borderless concept, and we have a gold zari pallu here. The vertical borders are done with silver zari, very elegant and beautiful, simple and elegant pallu and same color. The saree and the complete saree pallu and blouse piece are in a very beautiful pastel shade. It is something between Rama green and the turquoise shade. Very elegant and pastel shade it is, green with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees in a borderless version. Very beautiful single color concept sarees. The complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse are in same color. Here we have a dual tone. Mustard yellow is mixed with olive green shade. Radiant colors both are, so you can see the beautiful golden glow on the saree. Both yellow as well as green shades are visible and beautiful on the saree. And you can see the copper and silver zari buttas, small buttas, tiny ones all over the saree. And it is almost 18 buttas in a row vertically. All over the saree goes on. Really beautiful, very rich collection with same color pallu. Pallu also have very beautiful, closely weaved floral design, copper zari work, and silver borders are given in the vertical borders, and we have the plain blouse piece as in body color. The pallu tassels are already made. Really beautiful saree, a rich one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a 1000 butta concept sarees here in single color with beautiful buttas, very different half-inch, very light and elegant buttas on a mustard yellow color saree. It's a goldish mustard yellow color. Beautiful gold and silver zari buttas alternatively done. 18 buttas in a row vertically all over. It is a very closely weaved design. Beautiful 1000 butta concept saree, premium version, hand woven, and we have same color blouse piece and pallu. The pallu have very elegant work with silver zari borders in vertical way, and we also have plain blouse piece. The tassels are very beautifully done. Elegant saree in an excellent color, and it comes with authentic silk mark.